Hi everyone, my name is Varun. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a PCB footprint for the battery holder in step by step. I will open datasheet and this is recommended PCB layout. Here drill showing and 1.3 is the drill for two pins is two mentioned and 20 is the pin pitch. I will select patch stack editor here patch stack editor application for through pin and circle. I select drill. I will open. I will select millimeter and grade decimal places to 3 1.3. I will do 1.3. This is a drill 1.3. I will select 3 for this. I will select 2. Drill symbol I will select 75 means I will put anything you want to give numbers. Here I select diameter of this begin layer 1.3 into 50%. I will do this value to plus 0.65. I will add 1.3 plus 0.65 1.95. I will copy this and I will paste here in diameter section. I will copy here and paste here, and here also I will paste showing pad and drill. In mask layer I will select, I will paste here, copy and paste. I select change to mills. 4 mills I will increase here. 76 is there. 80 I will type. I will copy this. I will paste here. This is pad created. I will save as. In battery folder I will select. I will save here. For drill I will select 1.3. 1.3 into 39.37 51.81. I select 51. 51 is the drill. I will D. I will put and 76 something. 76 C. I will put for pad. I will save. I will save. Next I will open PCB editor. Opening. I will select file, new. Here I will put name. File name is G PCB learning YouTube and battery holder. I will give name BH battery holder like underscore part number. I will give, copy and paste. I pasted here. Open. OK. Center I will put. I will change radius something. Radius width and height of the extents. I will give 82. OK. This is grid and this is origin. I will change mm to mils. Okay. I'll change accuracy to 2. Apply and OK. Right click, grids. I'll change 100 to 5 for grids. Spacing between one grid to one grid is 5. We'll apply OK. Next I'll select pin. For pin I want to select user preference, library, path, library, pad path I want to give. Already I have given pad path. What pad will saving that folder only. Paste some path same as that one, and step path also I want to give same as given. Okay. Apply and OK. And import pins. I click here and open. This is showing this is the pad what I saved. Click OK. Select two pins is there. These 2 pins is there, and 20 is the pin pitch. Center to center of the pin is called pin pitch. 20 into 39.37 I want to do 787.4. I will copy and paste here. Spacing I paste. I will type x plus 0 plus 0. Oops, I will want to give. For offset text is 0. This text pin number will show to offset. That's why plus 0 is plus 0. Then see pin number is on the center of the pin. Pin number on visible. And 12 on, this is the pitch showing here. Origin to pin. Positive to origin it will show 12. I will show open. Setup. Change drawing origin. I'll select pin. For moving easy, that's why I want to select it. Origin here showing. Next setup. Change drawing origin. Select calculator. 12 how much it will come. 12 into 39.37. 472.44. Copy. I will open patch tab. PCB editor. X space minus that value space 0. Enter. I will give. Origin is moved to correctly. Next I will add a circle. Assembly top. I will give radius to width to 5. Replace circle. Circumference is 22.1. The circumference of the diameter. Opening calculator and 22.1 into 39.37 equal radius into 2 is equal to circumference. I divide by 2. I doing circumference is equal to r by 2. R into 2. X plus 0 is plus 0. This is the assembly is on center of the place. 2.2 minimize and open here. Help select line assembly package geometry assembly top place to 90 degree. X plus 0 plus 0 I will select. It will show and I will select calculator and open. 22.6.614. No, uh, meaning data sheet here showing with 7.5 into 39.37 295.275. I will select copy here IY space that value, enter, done. I'll move this one to snap it to segment, snap it to pin, then I will move here, snap it to segment midpoint, AX space 86.614, IX space 86.614 value. I'll measure here, segment vertex, segment, I'll select line, package geometry, assembly top, snap it to segment vertex. I'll draw here to here, 45, done. Right click, snap it to segment vertex, right click, done. I delete this one, all of other segments, right click, done. Edit, go to the vertex, right click on that and segment vertex, click on that, right click, then right click, segment, I delete here to here, cut option I will take, right click, cut, right click, cut, I will select all that, I cut it there and right click, cut that one, select, I will here and click, next delete taken, this also extra I will delete. It's now it's in assembly will created, and copy this one assembly, I'll put here, right click, done. I select this, I'll change the width, 8 I will put 8 for the silk. I change this to silk layer. I'll right click, snap it to segment vertex, right click, snap it to segment vertex. Next go to the edit, set copy, I'll select contract, okay. I will select here, sorry, its top is there, oops, it package from manufacturing, no prop top, I will select, I click here, no prop top is fixed on the assembly. Now edit, Z copy, package geometry, place on top, I will select, I will expand to 14. 10 air gap will become for 14. That's why I selected 14. And this is the height 8.7 plus 0.6 0.85 no 0.6 and 0.3 is the height. Here I select 9.3 mm, 9.3 mm, enter, click OK, right click, done. Setup, step package mapping. See, it is adjust as per for the assembly, and step file also matched. Little bit of adjustment. Click save, close. 3D I will open. See here, 3D. It is matched now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos.